Good morning, ladies. We're still having a situation with the perching at night. Spitfire, she's the red one, wants to be on the far left, but does not get on the perch in time to get there. And so last night I came out to check on the temperature, and there she was on the floor, inside the coop, walking around, completely dark. She can't see a thing, so she can't get up. I'm like, what is wrong with you? And then when I did put her up, of course, she started trying to move people. She started trying to move the other chicks over, and they were having nothing of it. So I did come out again later, and she was on the end, perched, It's like, if you want to be in a certain spot, you're going to need to get up there ahead of time and get your spot. Otherwise, you get the spot that's left. It's kind of difficult to do this and film at the same time.
A little awkward.
Literally, it's me cutting this branch, I swear. Working on getting the chicken run done. What'd you say this kind is? The metal?
That's just galvanized.
Galvanized, but it has a special coating on it?
Well, this one's powder coated, but yeah.
It just looks smoother.
Yeah, that's the powder coating.
Done with that. No. Yeah.
Okay.
See, and you're holding her correctly too.
Yes.
Her legs are just hanging there. Although she could, in theory, push off on your shirt, but yeah.
But I've got a firm enough grip on her that she's not feeling
Now you got her wings.
insecure.
That's what I'm trying to do, is make sure their wings are held in. And often well, for her and Miss Cloud, it's not too difficult. The others,
She's just a cute little thing.
yes. Make sure I'm not stepping on anybody.
Nope.
All
I'm not
right.
particularly interested in what's going on. But,
Here we are working on the new chicken run.
ready to get down?
Yeah.
I gotcha. You're okay. There you go, sweetie. Good girl.
What are you doing? You just prancing around?
Pooping.
Prancing around. Pooping. Okay. Oh, here's the trenching so far. So we're just trying to level this out because this goes up about a foot, I think. And the chicks are very interested. What are you doing? Apparently she's going to help trench.
Well,
Good job. Yeah.
Looks like she found a way.
Yeah, she did. Well, are you going to eat it or just leave it? Wow. Here, look. Wow. She just yanked it out of my hand. Okay, well. She's the most adventurous, I'd say. She'll eat the worms, she'll eat the Just about anything. She's a little piggy.
No, she's a chicken.
The others are a little more, I don't know, cautious.
I'm gonna draw the line.
Oh, there's another worm. Wow. She's just going to be full of worms. And there's another one. Okay, so yeah, she's a real chicken. She's eaten at least 3 worms on her own. And she's helping you dig.
See that? Wrong place.
Yeah, she's putting the dirt back into the trench.
Not helpful.
According you.
Okay, I think
That way you have proof you did this.
right? Everybody can see Mr. Phoenix JiRa working on the chickens. Who? Mr. Phoenix JiRa.
Mr. Phoenix JiRa.
Okay.
Mr. Phoenix JiRa.
I think that works. Well, I got it out. I'm going to just go ahead and... Because I
Right.
only needed just a little bit here. Like probably to about there. That's all I'm going to need.
Yeah, there's just that little bump there.
Yep.
In the land.
Carve that out. And then...
Ah, oh, there's a squirrel coming down
Yeah, so you going to help
into
too?
our yard, and the chickens are, excuse me a second.
Yes.
All right, I think we're done. 8 inches down?
8 inches at its highest point. It's riding high right here, and if I cut that out and let it droop just a titch more.
Oh, yeah, I see. You just probably do that with your
Yeah, that's
hand.
what I was hoping to do.
Because then the rest of it looks like it has, we could do some backfill.
Yep. It's kind of my hope.
But I think it's pretty dang, yeah, that's looking pretty good.
Reach.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd call that plum, but I'd
That's
pretty
pretty
much call
good
that
for
plum.
eyeballing it, yeah. That's pretty dang good. What's really cool is it's encompassing the juniper. I'm going to probably cut this one back, but not as much as I thought I would have to.
Yeah, no, this should work well.
And in the summer, this is going to be great for shade.
And when I backfill
And-
this, it's going to fix that problem.
Yeah. And then if we could see, here's the thing we don't know about the door. If we have to put the door, if we can put the door on the long side, yeah, if we can put it on the long side, I think right here. I think right here would be good.
Here or here? Either place.
I was thinking here.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not
If-
wed to it. I'm just.
yeah.
If we put it here, I don't have to do any more digging.
Oh. Well, it won't be very much digging.
No, it won't be. If I have to dig, it's
So I can
far
open the
less.
door, yeah.
But,
I mean, if we have to, we could put it here. That's the next spot.
yep. But either way,
And then there is more digging there.
yeah, but I'd have to. Work
But if
that.
we can put, that is ideal because then I can just walk right in here
Yep.
and I don't have to try and trench through all that stuff if we have to put it on that corner. Okay, it's day 80 and we spent the day framing out the new extended chicken run, which is a dog kennel. And the ladies checked that out and one of them ate like 4 worms. And I'm in the kennel. I mean, I'm not in the kennel. I'm in the coop with the attached run, as you can see. And here's Miss Cloud saying hi. Trinity already jumped up and spent some time on my lap. Hi, sweetie. How are you? Yeah. How you doing? Checking to see if I have any treats, which I really don't. No, she's the one that had probably 4 worms on her own that she found out there. And tomorrow, I think tomorrow we're going to work on the door to the kennel and then stretch the chain link around the frame. That should be interesting. And then my husband is going to cut out a hole in the chain link so that we can put a frame on it and then have a chicken tunnel going from the coop I'm in now to the new run, which will probably be, wow, really? Rude. Which will be about 2 feet between the two. Seriously. Well, apparently it's official. Spitfire is not as interested to get on my lap as she used to be. She's still friendly enough, but she would much rather be on her own, down there on the ground. Trinity, who's over there, and Miss Cloud love to get on my lap, so I guess 2 out of 5 isn't bad. I'm glad we're adding the extended chicken run. You can see the framework here and there and over here. So again, it's going to be 6 feet by 10 feet. So plenty of extra room for the ladies. Look at them. Yep. The crows are in the tree sitting in the front yard. And yesterday there were probably about 12 of them. So we had a murder going on. Right now there's only 2, so not quite a murder. Just a little meeting. What do you think, Miss Cloud? Just I'm not sure. I don't think I like a murder. Well, the crows are better than the hawks for you. And they actually chase some of the hawks away. PK, you cannot eat my ring. We've had this discussion before.